Welcome to Monimation. I'm Moni. This is the last video in how to create a website series. Now we are going to talk about how to create a sticky header and footer for our web pages. Click on the Views folder. Select the home page. Create two more pairs of p-tags in the body section. Go to this website to grab some dummy text. Select this one, and we want 600 words, one paragraph, and then click Select All, and then copy to clipboard, and then back to the Sublime text, paste it in the p-text. Refresh the browser. This is our home page. Scroll the page. We can see that the header and footer flows with the screen when we scroll the page. Right? Let's fix it now. In the CSS folder, create a new file. Save it with the name and put the script. Go to the header page. Add a link to the sticky CSS file just created. Add the sticky header and footer classes to the div element under the body opening tag. Here. Go to the footer page. Here. Add the sticky footer and container classes to this div element. Refresh the browser. The header and footer are fixed in position now. However, there is still another problem. The fixed header and footer cover parts of the body content. To fix it, back to the Sublime text, we have to add a padding on the top and the bottom of the body content respectively. In the header page, add the script inside the style element. To do this is to push the content a bit downwards from the top of the screen and a bit upwards from the bottom of the screen, and then add the content top and content bottom classes to the body element to make the styling effective. Refresh the browser. Oh yeah. I did something wrong. Back to the Sublime text. Go to the home page. Cut this and then paste here. Refresh the browser. Alright. The header does not cover the content page. Now, all the problems are gone. Let's take a look at the web page. Yeah, we have finished our project successfully. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell to receive alerts on my new uploads. Thanks for watching.